And they shall complete and observe all of my commandments, and I will be their father, and they shall be my children. Book of Jubilees 124. Frequency, 432 Hz. This frequency was chosen because 432 Hz is often associated with deep resonance, natural harmony, and the restoration of equilibrium. Because this verse is about entering into a foundational, covenantal relationship with the Creator, a return to our original identity as His children, 432 Hz serves as the perfect sonic anchor to ground the listener in that sense of belonging, stability, and peaceful alignment. This verse outlines the fundamental covenantal relationship between the Creator and His people. When it was written, it served as a promise of belonging and stability for a community seeking to maintain their identity amidst the pressures of surrounding nations. To complete and observe the commandments was not a burden of legalism, but a commitment to a life of structural order, ensuring that the people remained connected to their divine source and the protection that comes from that alignment. Today, this verse reflects the longing for authentic connection in an age of isolation. It means that we are never truly orphaned or left to navigate our challenges alone. When we choose to live in alignment with divine law, the commandments that govern true justice and mercy, we transition from being mere inhabitants of this world to active members of a divine family. It is an assurance that our relationship with the Creator is not distant, but intimate, defining our identity, our worth, and our security. Applying this to your daily life requires shifting your focus from external validation to internal covenant. Every decision, whether personal or professional, becomes an opportunity to observe the principles that govern this family. When you face uncertainty or feel the weight of the world's demands, remember your lineage. You are not a victim of circumstance, but a child of the Father, equipped with the authority of that relationship. Align your actions with truth, conduct your affairs with integrity, and move through your day knowing that your position in the family is secure. Daily decree. I declare that I am known, I am covered, and I am empowered. I walk in the fullness of my covenant, observing the laws of light and truth in all that I do. Because I am a child of the Most High, I am never alone, never defeated, and never without guidance. My life is a testament to the Father's protection, and I decree that every step I take is ordered by His wisdom. I am fully restored, fully aligned, and walking in my inheritance today. Find this and other healing frequencies, plus the hidden text, file a motion in the heavenly courts, and check out the archives at spiritualtribunal.life. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check the comments for free resources.